Hey guys, so I wanted to tell you about this product that I came across. It is the Bold Unique Purple Shampoo. Now, if you're like me and you're blonde and you've been trying to find a purple shampoo that actually does remove brassy and yellow tones in your hair, then you know the struggle of trying to find a good purple shampoo. And with this purple shampoo, this one is amazing. It totally gets all of the yellow and the brassiness out of my hair. Makes my hair a nice ashy, light blonde, which I always strive for. I don't have to dye my hair or tone my hair anymore. I can literally just use this, put it on for about 5 minutes while I'm in the shower, wash it out, and I have this as my blonde result. It's totally amazing. It smells delicious. I just love the smell. It kind of smells like Christmassy a little bit. And it's also cruelty free and vegan. So I love it. I know you guys will love it. You totally need this in your life. It's amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and insert my before. And this is my after. My hair before, you could totally tell it was just all uneven. Some parts of the beginning of my hair were like white blonde. The rest of it was like this weird yellow brassy tone. The underneath of my hair was like a different color. Now with this shampoo, it just completely evened it all out. I can't recommend this enough. Guys, if you need a purple shampoo, Bold Unique is the way to go.